YouTube, what it do? It's your boy, yours truly, the Garage Chronicles. Now I know we've been gone for a minute, I know, but the good thing about it's nothing really that good about it, but we haven't been slacking, y'all. We still been putting in work, hella mistakes, hella good things, but overall, hella good work. So before I even show y'all what I'm working on today, before I show y'all this car parked in front of me, I'm gonna roll this pic collage to try to kind of update y'all on where we came from and where we at. So I'm gonna roll that. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Let's get it. So there she go. That's the Cadillac Fleetwood. Now, I'm actually blown away with how we did this thing, y'all. As y'all remember, if you've been watching the channel for a good little time, you'll know it was blue. Now, I'm going to be real with y'all. The blue looked good. I was able to get some good angles. But in reality, all honesty, it wasn't righteous for this car. It didn't have enough to it. And I actually had talked to a professional painter, and he was like, yeah, you got to... I don't know what you're going to do, but you got to add something to it to make it look like, oh, damn, this is a caddy revamped for a younger guy that's not from this caddy generation. You know what I mean? But, yeah, we decided to go with this white, but it's not just a basic white. It has a gold pearl in it. Let me see if I can show y'all. You might could see it slightly. It's dusty right now, though. But, yeah, it's a white gold. We was trying to do a rose gold stripe, but it didn't work out, so it kind of came out burgundy. But let me show y'all the rims, because the rims do match. Hold on. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. She low-key hard. She low-key hard. And I don't know if y'all see it. Put the hood scoop on there. I still got to cut it out, but it's on there. Fiberglass it in there. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. $20 hood scoop from AutoZone. But it's on there. Let me see if I can shut the hood down for y'all. Hold on. Just shut this hood down so y'all can get a better look. Hold on. It's all metal right here I'm working with, y'all. Okay. Put that camera down. Y'all see it. Still got a few things to do when it comes to the exterior. We still gotta buff it. I'm either gonna buff it or I'm either gonna flow coat it, but one or the other. But look at this caddy, y'all. Look at this Fleetwood. Come on now. I mean, I know it's not gonna be everyone cup of tea, but for us, just two guys working out a garage, man, I'm mind blown. I'm really mind blown, y'all. I didn't think it was gonna come out like this. Let me see if I can get, I might be able to give y'all a better view of the rims. Y'all can see it. Got the rose gold, well, burgundy-ish, pinkish rims, whatever you want to call it. And I went ahead and did the inside of the rim too. So this thing looking crazy. Man, all I can say is I'm shocked, I'm hyped. And also, to top it off, in one of the videos I had something, I said I'm gonna put a 350 in here. I said I'm gonna build it up. Said I'm gonna try to get like 500 horses out of old 350. It could be done, I guess, but I don't know. But I decided to take a different route. I said, why go 350 when I got the hood scoop? I got the 26s. I need something that's gonna make a little statement, you know what I mean? So let me show y'all what I decided to go with. Y'all see it? Big boy. 454, big block.
Big block.
Hold on, let me take the valve covers off for y'all. Let me get this camera right. Yeah, there we go. Take the valve covers off for y'all. Show y'all a little something. Oh yeah. So 454 big block swap going in the caddy, y'all. So the thing about to have power. The thing about to be sliding and doing all the festivities it want to do for me. And yeah, this thing about to be crazy. Let me put the camera back on it one more time. So today, what I'm working on though, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working on. This camera acting funny, man. Get that camera right. Open this up for y'all real quick. So previously, before, the interior was the dash and the center console. The dash and the center console was blue. So I had to take all that out. All that's gonna get repainted, and I'm gonna use that to match the stripe that's going through the whole car. Now the seats are gonna be going. The carpet is going like a burgundy-ish reddish. Now today, what I'm trying to do, if you see that big roll of foam I got right there, I'm trying to make the headliner from scratch. Now before I had stars in the headliner, but once again I gotta be 100 with y'all. It didn't come out as clean as we wanted it to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this foam. It's not that thick, but it's a little thick. I'm gonna some type of way stick it up there just temporarily, cut it out on all angles. I'm probably gonna have to cut 2 pieces right there. And once I get the shape cut out right, I'm gonna take some adhesive glue, some interior glue. I'm gonna wrap it with the fabric, and then I'm gonna use them little buttons. I don't know if y'all know them buttons that be like in your door panels when you're trying to pull a door panel off. I'm gonna use those buttons to pretty much permanently, well not permanently, but pretty much hold that thing to the roof. But yeah, we looking good, y'all. We looking good. Let me see something. Hold on, let me back up. Let me back up real quick. Hold on. Hold on. Let's get the camera, Lord. Woo-wee! So yeah, I never did a headliner like that. Never even tried it. It might not work out, but I'm gonna try to show y'all as much as possible. If I ruin it, I ruin it. But it's the process that I love. So let's get to it. All right, y'all. So I want to show y'all what I basically got going on with this phone. Like I said, I ain't never even came close to trying something like this, but I seen somebody kind of do it in this fashion, so I'm like, maybe it'll work. But I just put a couple screws in the front up there. I was trying to use like tape, but it wasn't strong enough to really hold it. So if you look, yeah, I got 3 screws going across the front, and I'm basically trying to work my way back with this foam all the way to the back. Now I know it's probably not gonna get the curve right there, but I'm gonna try to work it as far back as possible, then cut it out. Cause once I get it, an even cut, I can take it out and I can actually wrap it with the fabric. But until I do that, I can't really do nothing. But I just want to show y'all where I was currently at. So I'm about to proceed, and hopefully I get this thing all the way up, cut out even, and I'll show y'all what it's looking like. Let me get to it. So I got it up just about as far as it's gonna go with the process I'm taking with the screws and everything. So I'm gonna start trimming some of it and getting it closer and closer to the actual cut I need. But yeah, I just put random screws in there, and I'm gonna take some scissors and some razor blades and just start cutting around it, and hopefully it give me the look I'm looking for. Then I'll get some vinyl and actually put some wrap on this thing. And I'm debating if I want to still put the stars back in it or not. You know what I mean? But either or, it's going to look good. But yeah, let me get on that. Let me trim this thing down and see what it's looking like when I'm done with it. All right, y'all, so I took the foam back down. I took a permanent marker and just put some markings on it. Now, even those markings, I could tell when I was marking it, it's not going to be a precise cut. But I'm going to go ahead and take the scissors, cut those markings out, stick it back in there. I'm probably going to have to do that like 2 to 3 times to get it good enough. Now the hardest part as far as marking it out was the back window. You know what I mean? I didn't have no room back there, so I kind of just did a real ghetto mark back there. But we're gonna make it work. So I'm about to trim this out. Hopefully it fits in there decently. After I get the exact fitment, I'm gonna go ahead and get the fabric for it, wrap it, and install it 100%, and hopefully won't ever have to take it back down again. You feel me? But yeah, just get on this. Let me cut this out real quick and make it happen. show y'all how far I got today. As you can see, I got it up there, not permanently. Like I said, I just put a couple screws. I got some magnets back there. But yeah, out of all my experiences, it was kind of hard, but not really. And if you don't have a headliner at all, like it's just bare metal like this was, I suggest taking this route. You know what I mean? Let me show y'all from the back seat. Because once I wrap this with the vinyl, I think it'll look really good. And like I said, I've never tried this before. This was my first time trying it. So I'm satisfied, and I highly suggest this method if you want to make a headliner from scratch. But we're gonna see how it look when I actually put the vinyl on there. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. I don't really got much else to do on this car today. The next step gonna be actually buying the vinyl for it. And yeah, we moving along. The car is running. All the suspension work for the most part is done. The mechanics is solid. So once I finish up the interior, I'm gonna work on the sound system, and that's about it. But I forgot. I also want to show y'all another motor that my homeboy got for the Honda Civic. Now I know we did a video saying he got the K20. Yeah, I know that. But supposedly, now I don't know too much about them engines, but supposedly that wasn't the right K series that he wanted. So bam, he popped up randomly with this one. I don't know where he got it from, but it's complete. It's already built up. And he gonna be doing the K20 swap on the Civic within the next couple weeks too. So we got the 454 big block going in the Caddy. We got the K20 going in the Civic. It's about to be crazy out here, y'all. He got his intercooler right here because he is going turbos on the K20. Me personally, I'm just going stock, no turbos, no supercharger. I ain't about to race this big old thing. But can we please just have a moment of silence to appreciate this beauty right here? I want to get y'all. I wish I didn't pull it out like that, so I could have really showed y'all a full angle of it. Y'all can't even see it, man. Y'all can't even see that full, like, I wish I could show y'all. When we pulled this thing out on the street, oh, man, it was looking crazy. I'm gonna try to put some of the videos I had took off my Instagram and social media so y'all can actually get a look. But man, this thing look crazy. The rims is hitting right, and I also put that little gold pearl in the rims too. So when the interior and all that is done, let me get this camera right. When the interior and all that is done, I know this thing is gonna look off the chain. I would tell y'all what color I'm going with the interior, but I'd rather just show y'all. But tomorrow I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna finish up that headline. I'm gonna actually put the vinyl up there. I'm gonna get some glue. I'm gonna show y'all the process I take to actually making it stay up there for good. So with that being said, that's gonna be it for today's video. I know it wasn't much, but I just wanted to get back on the channel, get back on YouTube, let y'all know we ain't been slacking. Please like, please subscribe, stay tuned for the future projects, and we gonna get to it.